When it comes to top 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leading provider. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Their commitment to delivering high-quality results sets them apart from the competition. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered among the top 3D scanning services in BTM Layout is their extensive range of services. They offer a wide variety of scanning solutions for different industries and applications. Whether it's reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle any project. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that each scan is accurate and precise, meeting the specific requirements of their clients. SCON Design's commitment to using the latest technology is another reason why they are considered among the best 3D scanning services in BTM Layout. They utilize advanced scanning equipment and software to capture detailed and accurate scans. This allows them to create digital representations of physical objects with exceptional precision. Their cutting-edge technology ensures that their clients receive high-quality scans that can be used for various purposes, such as prototyping, manufacturing, and virtual reality applications. In addition to their technical expertise, SCON Design also excels in customer service. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is recognized as one of the top 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore for several reasons. Their wide range of services, advanced technology, commitment to customer satisfaction, and successful track record make them a trusted choice for businesses in need of 3D scanning solutions. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design has the expertise and capabilities to deliver exceptional results. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of top 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they offer accurate and detailed 3D scanning solutions to various industries. SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and efficient service provider in the field of 3D scanning, catering to the diverse needs of clients across different sectors. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the top 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore, is their commitment to delivering high-quality results. They use advanced scanning equipment and software to ensure accurate measurements and precise representations of objects or spaces. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, SCON Design can provide accurate 3D scans that meet the requirements of their clients.